Good day everybody, my name is Yi Jie and today I'm going to propose to you my project called Smart Blindspot Traffic Warning System for my company Saffron Landing System. So you can see over here the views outside my company Saffron. This you can see over here there's parking lots outside my company where there always be vehicles parked along the roadside over here, causing a blind spot for vehicles that exiting my company to turn right to join the main road. So what how we turn right is we need to slowly inch forward to the road or to the lane over here to check whether the traffic is clear before we are safe to turn right to join the main road. So now I will be showing you my system from the top view of my company. As you can see over here, my circuit, the OLED screen here showing some simple instructions of the circuit. Beside here, there's a button, the start stop button, and 3 sensors to detect vehicles, where these sensors to detect any vehicle at my company stop line. And these 2 sensors will be detecting vehicle traffic flow from the right and left. And the traffic light over here for the system. And lastly, Servo Motor will be acting as my company gantry. So now I'm showing you example. There's a vehicles going to exit my company. So once the stop line detect, there's no traffic objecting left or right, gantry open, the green light will light up to show that it's safe to turn right or left to exit my company. So in a scenario where there's traffic flow on the right or traffic flow on the left, or even both sides, the gantry will not open and red light will on to show that it's not safe to proceed to exit my company. So when there's no traffic obstructing vehicle exiting my company, so after a few seconds later, the gantry will close by itself and red LED will on back to the initial state. So lastly, when initially I mentioned this button, the start stop button, in any scenario where the system jam or we need some troubleshooting for the system, just press the button, the whole system will stop, LED will be blinking, it will not work even there's any sensor sense. So when you want to start back the system again, you press the button, it will go back to the initial state where vehicles detected, gantry open, green light on, and once it exit, it will close back itself a few seconds later, green light on, back to the initial states. Thank you.